Good morning, 3i. Today is Friday, and we are going to start by looking at holes and writing a few notes in your red books about holes. So, Holes is by Louis Sachar, and I'm going to just tell you a little bit about him. He was born in East Meadow in New York in 1954. And he moved to South California when he was 9. He started teaching in schools in his last year of high school, and this prompted him to start writing children's books. So he was a teacher early on and a writer of children's books early on. He later became a lawyer, but he continued to write children's books. Holes is Sachar's most successful book and has won numerous awards, including the Newbery Medal and the National Book Award. So he's a very well-known and famous kids author in America. So we're going to just take a quick look at some of the important things about the beginning of the novel. Chapters 1 to 5. What do we find out in chapters 1 to 5? Well, as with any good book, we are introduced at the beginning to the setting, where things are happening, and the characters that are involved. And of course, we start to learn about the story of the novel as well. But let's start with setting. We're introduced to Camp Greenlake. One of your questions over the last couple of days was, what is ironic about the title Camp Greenlake? Irony, of course, and I'm hoping you looked this up if you don't know what it is, or you didn't know what it was until 2 days ago. Irony is when things are not, they're like the opposite of what you think they should be. So Camp Greenlake, the irony of that is that, of course, it's not green and there's no lake. It's the middle of a desert. So that's why it's an ironic title. It's a very dangerous place. So have a quick think for me. What are the dangers in Camp Greenlake? Well, I'm hoping things are popping into your mind. Scorpions. Scorpions are one of the dangers. There are lots of dangers. Another danger is rattlesnakes. Any more dangers? Yes, the yellow spotted lizards. Unbelievably dangerous. And let's not forget the heat, which could kill you because it's pretty hot in that desert. And last but not least, the Warden is very dangerous. So when Stanley turns up at Camp Greenlake, he finds very quickly that it's a dangerous place to be. We are introduced to him, and I want you to write this page into your books, including the title, and this is going to be in the front of your books. Just take these notes into the front of your books with today's date, which is the 5th of March. And you fill in this bit at the bottom, please, and we'll compare notes when we meet again, hopefully next Monday. What's he like? Think of some adjectives. Tell me what kind of person Stanley Yelnats is. So you can put this on pause, put the video on pause, and when you've done writing these highlighted notes into your red books at the front of the red books, then it'll be time to move on to the next task for today, which is your quiz.